Spyware Blaster is a very effective tool designed to block out ActiveX spyware which attempts to infiltrate inside your computer, as well as prevent tracking cookies and helps you take a system snapshot. It focuses on adware, dialers, hijackers, and several other threats involving spying and tracking. It does so by allowing you to set various filters and rules for browser clients installed on your system. The setup process does not pose any problems, while the interface is easy to follow and quite easy on the eyes. It only encloses a navigation panel and a pane in which to display the selected information or options. This program can detect all the web browsers you have installed on your computer, and shows you their protection status in the main window. If this is disabled, you can enable the cookie and/or ActiveX safeguards, as well as customize the huge block list. You can also restrict actions in certain sites. System Snapshot is a very important function of Spyware Blaster, as it allows you to create or restore backups of important system and browser settings, using a wizard and a custom name. The Settings panel allows you to configure web page settings for Internet Explorer, e.g. Start Page, Search Bar, create encrypted backups for the host's file, completely disable flash content and downloads, as well as create a list of ActiveX controls you want to block. The system's performance is not going to be hampered as the amount of resources required is usually low. The response time is good, the interface is intuitive and modern, and I did not come by any errors or hangs in my tests. To conclude, Spyware Blaster is a fierce fighter against malware and it is surprisingly effective for such a simple and non-demanding software. See you next video.